Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting outside painting the house, and I think we're going to rearrange some things because I'm not really happy with how some of the tiles are coming out, and it looks like I'm going to extend the pathway a little bit more for this backyard patio. If you're new here, my name is Rita. I am an author, actress, and I enjoy doing lifestyle videos such as what we're going to do today. We're going to DIY painting our house. So let's get started. Often asked, how do I find the energy and or the time to do all these additional projects outside of writing or acting or even content creation here on YouTube? It really is like, if something's bugging me, like the color of this house was literally bugging me. It was just not a happy color. It was dreary, it was old, faded, and it was just nagging at me. So when that happens, I just go buy what I need to buy and just handle it. Yeah, you could go and pay someone to do this and knock it out or whatever, but there's something really satisfying about just getting outside, pulling out the paint, the ladder, the rollers and the brushes, and the sheer accomplishment of just doing it yourself. That's not always possible, obviously, if it's a super difficult project, But I find that in painting, it's just not that hard, and it's calming and relaxing for me as well. I just really enjoy it. And I think once I finished the job, I was just really excited about it. And that's what keeps me motivated. Now that I'm at a stopping point, not by choice, but because I've run out of paint, we're going to remove this vegetable garden bed because Bruno here loves to jump into it and kick the seeds out and all around. After we do the removal, I chose to rearrange some pavers, so now we're going to extend this lounging patio out a little bit further so there's a little bit more room to relax once we put in that outdoor kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for any uploads we have coming up very soon, as we will be doing and continuing Camp NaNoWriMo for the rest of this month. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye-bye.
You like your new toy?